In the deepest places of Earth's oceans lies a world that humanity barely understands. More than 80% of the ocean floor has never been explored. Beneath the waves, in total darkness, entire landscapes exist that no human eyes have ever seen. Vast underwater canyons stretch for hundreds of miles. Endless plains of black sediment hide ancient secrets beneath the pressure of the deep. For centuries, the ocean has guarded mysteries that scientists are only beginning to uncover. Modern research vessels now travel across the most remote regions of the sea. From their decks, advanced exploration drones descend slowly into the abyss. As they sink deeper, sunlight disappears, replaced by cold darkness. Yet even here, life thrives in forms that seem almost alien. Strange creatures drift silently through the water, glowing with bioluminescent light. These organisms illuminate the deep like stars in a hidden underwater galaxy. But sometimes, the instruments aboard exploration submarines detect something unexpected. Sonar signals occasionally reveal geometric shapes resting on the ocean floor. Shapes that appear too symmetrical to be natural. Could these formations simply be unusual rock structures? Or could they be the remains of something far older? Far to the south, beneath the frozen continent of Antarctica, another mystery waits. Under kilometers of ancient ice, hidden lakes have remained sealed from the surface world for millions of years. Scientists drill carefully through the ice, lowering cameras into the unknown. When the cameras finally enter the dark water below, an untouched ecosystem appears. But in several scans, researchers have reported something even more surprising. Large shapes that resemble artificial structures. Pyramidal forms resting beneath the ice. Ancient ruins buried in sediment. Some researchers believe they are natural formations. Others are not so sure. If an advanced civilization had once existed near these waters long ago, rising sea levels could have buried its cities beneath the ocean. Over thousands of years, coral and marine life would slowly transform these ruins into something that appears almost natural. Yet the ocean continues to reveal more strange discoveries. In the deepest trenches of the planet, where pressure is crushing and darkness is absolute, life has evolved in extraordinary ways. Creatures here survive without sunlight. Their bodies glow with living light. Their eyes are adapted to detect even the faintest movement. Some scientists have even speculated about the possibility of intelligent life evolving in the deep. Not human, but something adapted perfectly to the ocean. A civilization that developed beneath the waves instead of on land. If such beings existed, they would move through the ocean with ease. Their cities might be built from coral, stone, and living marine structures. Bioluminescent plants could illuminate entire underwater streets. Massive domes could protect their habitats from extreme ocean pressure. For now, this remains only speculation, but the ocean still holds many unexplained discoveries. Military submarines have occasionally reported unidentified objects moving through deep water at incredible speeds. Too fast for known submarines. Too controlled to be natural animals. These objects appear briefly on sonar screens before vanishing into the darkness. In several cases, exploration drones have captured faint images of unusual metallic shapes. Silent, motionless, watching, as if observing the explorers who enter their territory. Meanwhile, deep ocean trenches continue to challenge human technology. Robotic drones sent into these extreme depths sometimes lose communication without warning. Their final transmissions often show strange geological formations. Massive walls of rock carved with patterns that look almost deliberate. Ancient stair-like structures descending into the abyss. And enormous shadows moving far below the range of their lights. Then there are the ruins. Gigantic underwater cities discovered in scattered locations across the ocean floor. Some appear to be natural rock formations shaped by currents over millions of years. Others contain structures that resemble pillars, arches, and walls. If they truly are ruins, their origins remain completely unknown, because no known human civilization could have built cities at such extreme depths. And yet, the possibility remains that these structures were not always beneath the sea. Long ago, During ancient ice ages, sea levels were far lower than they are today. Entire landscapes that once stood above water may now rest thousands of meters below the surface. If civilizations existed in those distant eras, their remains might now lie hidden beneath the ocean. But perhaps the most mysterious possibility is still unexplored. What if the ocean is not empty? What if somewhere in the deepest darkness, a hidden civilization still exists? A civilization that evolved in the sea while humanity developed on land. Watching, observing, waiting, far below the reach of sunlight. In cities illuminated by living light. In the silent depths where the unknown still rules. Because even today, with all of our technology, humanity has explored less of the ocean than the surface of the moon. Which means that somewhere in the deep unknown, the greatest discovery in human history may still be waiting. Hidden beneath the endless darkness of the sea.